Okay, ready? Okay. Hi. Okay.
What's up?
What's cracking?
So, we were walking down the street.
I see Katie and Gabby.
Okay, we're gonna do our song thing really quick.
Okay.
Yeah.
We were walking down the street and we saw garbage cans and bushes and parking lots. And then we saw old people and cars and staples and trucks
and houses
and
Taco Bells and GM certified used vehicles.
Yeah, that's what she said.
And Katie and
Gabby and Austin and Michael
and old people driving vans that look like mans. And
we saw Black's car
and Total Care Foot Care.
And we saw ugly people and
old people.
We saw fat people
and fat people and skinny people.
And we saw Katie and Gabby and we saw Dan and we saw John and we saw Corey and we saw
Michael. Don't step in front of the camera.
Yeah, please.
Oh, my bad. And we got water.
We got water and we went to Dots and we got caribou.
Water.
You got caribou?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good.
And we saw Raven's daddy and
Raven's mom.
Okay,
and
cut.
Raven's brother and sister.